Hello students, welcome to the Institute of Distance and Open Learning, University of Mumbai. I am Professor Santosh Rathod, Head, Faculty of Interdisciplinary of IDOL, University of Mumbai. We have recently started an online lecture series under stewardship of Professor Mandar Bhanushe, Head, Faculty of Science and Technology, IDOL, University of Mumbai. Dear viewers, Institute of Distance and Open Learning is now a more than 50 years old distance education institute that has been catering to the needs of higher education of the vast and pluralist country like India through distance, open and online modes. Our online lecture series aims at providing multimodal contents to its distance learners in the subjects like mathematics and English at the initial phase, and the same could be later extended to other courses and subjects. To begin with, we have identified business communication in English, which is common course at FYBCom and SYBA. The experts involved in content creation and content delivery are senior PhD holders with vast experience of teaching, learning, and research at various institutes, departments, and colleges affiliated to University of Mumbai. I am sure that you are going to reap maximum benefits out of their expertise. Wish you all the best. And lastly, I would like to thank the project head and his technical team for this kind of initiative. Thank you. Thank you very much.